Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix a frozen screen on your Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you encountered this kind of issue, what you have to do is force restart your smartphone by holding down the power button and volume down keys at the same time. Just press them down and keep holding them until the screen of your device goes off. And once it does, leave it alone and let it restart. This is called force restart, and this will solve your issue in like 90% of all cases, but if not, then unfortunately you're gonna have to perform a factory reset or just maybe let your device cool down if it's overheated and then try again. But if nothing helps you, you can perform a factory reset operation, and we actually have a separate video for that where I explain this process step by step. You're gonna need to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.